Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make fried salmon, and it's sure gonna make everyone at the table happy. It's crispy on the outside, soft and flaky on the inside, and filled with flavor in every bite. And seriously, if you're looking for the ultimate healthy and delicious meal that's also incredibly quick and easy to make, this fried salmon is the way to go. Alright, so we are going to prepare the salmon. The skin on is best as it protects the delicate flesh, guys, and keep it moist during cooking. If you don't want the skin on, you can remove the skin, that's alright. So what I'm going to do is just squeeze some lemon onto the salmon. And you know, salmon doesn't require a lot of ingredients, but I've did my own thing. I add some tap water and I'm going to soak it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just make sure that it's fully soaked there. And once I'm done here, guys, what I'm going to do is just make sure that I remove all of the water from it. But yeah, believe me, this salmon will still hold some more water in it, right? So once I'm all soaked up and nice, you want to take a piece of paper towel and lay it on your countertop and put your salmon skin side up, then place another piece of paper towel over it and just leave it for about 5 minutes to drain completely. And this is by far the best piece of salmon to cook because, you know, it comes more from the thicker part of the salmon, the middle part of the salmon that has more body. So here I have smoked paprika, black pepper, salt, some mustard, some Cajun seasoning, and you can use any type of seasonings as you choose. Now I'm going to mix it up well, and then I'm going to use this and I'm going to rub it onto my salmon. Make sure that you catch all the sides of the salmon. This simple, guys. And you don't have to use the seasoning if you don't want to, right? So this is what I did. And once I'm done basting it with this seasoning, I'm going to place a piece of paper towel over the top again and let it just sit for another 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes after, I'm going to be using some Italian breadcrumb. Now, I use Italian breadcrumb because this is what I had on hand. You can use plain breadcrumb, panko breadcrumb, you can use white flour, whatever you choose. I'm adding some cornstarch in here, which is going to give me some extra crispiness on the fish. And I'm going to mix it well. Now I have a pan with oil over medium heat, and you want the oil to be very hot because salmon doesn't take long to cook. So what I'm going to do is just place a piece of salmon into this flour mixture. As a matter of fact, breadcrumb mixture, because I didn't add flour, right? And make sure you coat every side of it. Then into the hot oil, you're going to place the salmon skin side down and flip it 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side, and that salmon is fried right through. So what I'm going to do now is to make a little dip to go with the salmon. I add some mayonnaise, some chopped celery or parsley, whichever one you want to use, some lemon juice, some black pepper, and basically that's what you need. Just mix it well. You can add anything into yours when you're making yours smooth and nice. So here my fish is done, and this is what it looks like. Crispy, flaky, moist, and very tasty. Garnish with some parsley. And there you have some fried, quick dinner salmon pieces. So go give it a try, guys, and don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Leave me a beautiful comment. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Enjoy.